My name is Rachel Tom, and I'm from Communication Design. Yeah.
And I'm Spraha Mangal. I'm also from Communication Designing. Hello, this is Adya, graduate of UG Fashion Business Management.
Hi, I'm Bhargavi, a graduate of Fashion Business Management, and I'm so excited.
Hey, I'm Ritika Goyal from the graduating batch of Fashion Design 2025 IIAD.
Hi, I'm Kritika. I am FBM 2025 and I'm feeling super grateful. I'm Ruhi Vij. I just graduated from Communication Design.
My name is Meet and I was in the 21-25 batch in Communication Design IIAD.
Hello guys, I am Deva. I just graduated today and I'm from the FD department.
I'm Adya Chawla. I graduated from Fashion Business Management.
Hi, I'm Pulokesh Garai. I'm a communication designer, final year student, got graduated last year.
I am Ritika Singh. I was from the IAD department from class of 2025.
Hi, I'm Lisha, FBM undergrad student, class of 25.
We are feeling really great because finally this is the last day of college. How are you feeling?
A little sad because I'm gonna miss the people. I've met a lot of great friends, but yeah, I'm glad to be part of this journey.
It feels like the best roller coaster ride has come to an end, but definitely an onset of a very great journey ahead.
Dynamic. I couldn't club these 3 years into one box. Every year was so different and dynamic and fun at the same time.
Absolutely amazing and surreal. The most amazing time has been here at IIAD.
It's been a mix of every emotions, like everything. You never know like what is happening to you because I think you're just crying at the same time you're laughing and it just is great, honestly. They were fun. I learned a lot. I learned a lot.
I would say they wouldn't have been the same if it wasn't for my friends. If I'm being honest, that's the only thing which kept me going. Meeting new people, having people which are like-minded, goofing around. But other than that, I would say it's pretty normal. Good growing up exercise, I guess.
It was great, it was nice. I feel I explored a lot of identities, what I have, I think, and figured out where I am and maybe still figuring out, so yeah.
I think they were like a roller coaster journey. We had lots of ups and downs, but in the end, we got to learn a lot of things that I don't think we would have learned if you were in any other university.
These 4 years were a bit of mix, I would say, because 1.5 was in COVID, the pandemic, and the other 3 just was a blur.
My experience was great. Honestly, the first year when I did my my first year of college was a little confusing, but I think coming down to the 4-year journey, it turned out to be really nice.
As I already said, the 4 years that I've been here, it was much more than just being a student. I was the president as well. I was one of the most bullied students from my faculties. I was a lot of things, but the 4 years were nothing but just surreal. It will be one of my major parts that I'll take away with me.
It has been so good, and I've gotten so much feedback from people that no undergrad knows so much that we do. So we've learned a lot.
I'm planning to study further. I'm interested in animation, so I'm planning to pursue further in that.
I'm doing filmmaking. I'm currently working as a luxury fashion associate at Confidential Couture.
I am currently working as a marketing executive for Lamborghini Delhi.
So I have my own clothing brand. It's called Satviki. It's a 6-year-old brand. We run Nykaa Fashion Lux. I am the official stylist for Mrs. India Incorporation and Miss and Mrs. Asia Universe. So I'm working with a lot of different pageants and we're doing a lot of different custom pieces. So some really confidential projects coming soon.
I am working as a marketing executive in Ferrari and that's how it is going right now. I am currently working at JLL, but I also do my own stuff because my job's boring.
Currently, I'm working as a visual designer at Boat Lifestyle, and it's a fun place to work around. It's nice.
So I am working at a brand, it's very nice. So I wanted to work with textiles. So the brand provides me a lot of insights about textile, weaving, how things are done, as well as merchandising, which I feel is half of the industry about. Like 50% of the industry, more than that, to be very honest, is about merchandising. So I feel that is it.
I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business, which was started after the capstone project in my final year. I have an event management company.
So I am doing full-time product photography in a design studio called The Wishing Chair.
So I'm already working as a graphic and product designer for Magic Pin.
I am currently working with Studio Lotus as a junior designer.
So currently I am pursuing my master's, alternate MBA, and I also have 3 business ventures that I'm working on.
And all those things that, you know, when you only have certain amount of money in your bank account and you want to merge all the money from, oh, how much do you have, अरे भाई मेरे पास 3 रुपए, मेरे पास 10 रुपए, चलो mix करो, let's have a meal. That was the bestest memory for all of us. The feeling of appreciation after the jury, that's the best part.
I think like someone during the ceremony mentioned the middle part of it, because we never realized when we started and when it ended. So I wish we could just rewind the entire middle bit of it.
It would be foundation years and the most important, the graduating fashion show. That has been the most amazing and the most sought after time that we wanted to have our graduation show. So yeah.
Going and reliving those first years, first moments when we are all very innocent and childish. I think that one.
I don't think it's a specific moment per se which I can point out. It's like a culmination of a lot of things. Just coming early and goofing around with my friends, passing lingas and just being happy it's over. It's all fun.
I think being with my friends, being the only guy in my class, having 30 girls around me, I think that's fun.
Never thought I'd say this, but I would want to go back and experience all the projects and working together in teams once again.
Not late night, but the sessions in Cyrus Cafe, having 3 plates of peri-peri fries and iced teas.
One moment definitely would be trying to pull off Remix 2024 when we had a 0 budget and we had 2 weeks to go. Me crying, sobbing in front of Usha ma'am and Simrat ma'am. And then fast forward to when Remix actually happened, seeing everybody on there screaming for me, for Remix. That was just a moment I keep looking back to. I feel like that is something that keeps me going.
I would say the time we have spent working on our grad shows, we spent so many hours. I think our college gets closed at around 8 p.m. and we've begged sirs to open it till 9 till 10 so that we can complete our work for the tomorrow's show.